To achieve net zero, we've got to electrify everything we do. WMG is one of the 7 high-value manufacturing catapult centres. We've got Derrick-funded equipment. Derrick was established as part of the Driving the Electric Revolution Industrial Challenge to set up manufacturing capability across the UK.
In this centre that we're in now, the Winding Centre of Excellence, in here we look at the motor windings. So that really ranges from distributed round wire automated winding, which you find in about 80% of machines, to continuous hairpin windings, which is really more novel. So it's really looking at where the future's going in terms of technology.
Our focus is on the electrification of transport and surrounding application areas.
So it's really looking at where the future's going in terms of technology.
This definitely paves the way for electrification and net zero. There's a lot of industry that are moving towards the electronic side of automation. They need electric powertrains. Since they have been working all throughout on IC engines, they don't have the expertise in electric motors.
We invite industry in and we actually do manufacturing workshops with industry. We can develop their procedure and they can actually take them parameters away on a memory stick, and they can take that into their facilities and they can then upload that into their production line.
It's a lot of collaboration, so they learn from us, we learn from them.
We're the experts on the machine and the manufacturing side, and we can really add value to industry and help them progress with whatever challenge that they have.
For the partnerships that we've been doing, the consortium of Alumotor, for example, I've learned so much. And the ability to come together and manufacture and discuss the mechanisms within the designs, it really enables the project and the designs of it to go faster and to develop better. The exposure I've had to high-level equipment and experts in the field means that I can get kind of deeper into my career and deepen my understanding faster.
The WELD project is a Derrick-funded project which is designing IP-free motors. You have the 3 topologies, the concentrated, distributed and the hairpin winding. We do that all here, the design, simulation, the testing, as well as the manufacturing of it. The end-to-end product development of the entire motor. Learnings, hindrances, challenges, everything is transferred onto the industry. That's definitely something which has helped me as well.
The Winding Centre itself does add to WMG's capability. It does give us a great hub to allow us to engage with industry and to use our expertise within the PEMD group with the Derrick funding. So this is really where we can actually give a good offering. We work very well together as WMG, and I think that's really appreciated when we do get industry partners round and they do see the centre.